Welcome to the Ultimate Spanish Professions Quiz. See how many jobs you can translate correctly and compare your score with other viewers. Don't forget to comment your profession and how many answers you got right. Let's go! How do you say doctor?
Doctor,
How do you say teacher?
maestro,
How do you say chef?
cocinero,
How do you say pilot?
piloto,
How do you say nurse?
enfermero,
How do you say mechanic?
mecánico,
How do you say electrician?
electricista,
How do you say dentist?
dentista,
How do you say lawyer?
abogado,
How do you say engineer?
ingeniero,
How do you say architect?
arquitecto,
How do you say farmer?
agricultor,
How do you say driver?
conductor,
How do you say actor?
actor,
How do you say actress?
actriz,
How do you say singer?
cantante,
How do you say musician?
músico,
How do you say painter?
pintor,
How do you say carpenter?
carpintero,
How do you say plumber?
fontanero,
How do you say journalist?
periodista,
How do you say photographer?
fotógrafo,
How do you say scientist?
científico,
How do you say veterinarian?
veterinario,
How do you say waiter?
camarero,
How do you say baker?
panadero,
How do you say gardener?
jardinero,
How do you say cashier?
cajero,
How do you say secretary?
secretaria,
How do you say soldier?
soldado,
How do you say barber?
barbero,
How do you say pharmacist?
farmacéutico,
How do you say psychologist?
psicólogo,
How do you say professor?
profesor,
How do you say judge?
juez,
How do you say banker?
banquero,
How do you say accountant?
contador,
How do you say translator?
traductor,
How do you say librarian?
bibliotecario,
How do you say fisherman?
pescador,
How do you say miner?
minero,
How do you say welder?
soldador,
How do you say cleaner?
limpiador,
How do you say dispatcher?
despachador,
How do you say coach?
entrenador,
How do you say athlete?
atleta,
How do you say referee?
árbitro,
How do you say detective?
detective,
How do you say programmer?
programador,
How do you say designer?
diseñador,
How do you say animator?
animador,
How do you say YouTuber?
youtuber,
How do you say DJ?
DJ,
How do you say producer?
productor,
How do you say director?
director,
How do you say reporter?
reportero,
How do you say entrepreneur?
emprendedor,
How do you say manager?
gerente,
How do you say consultant?
Consultor.
How do you say butcher?
Carnicero.
How do you say tailor?
Sastre.
How do you say jeweler?
Joyero.
How do you say florist?
Florista.
How do you say surveyor?
Agrimensor.
How do you say technician?
Técnico.
How do you say operator?
Operador.
How do you say foreman?
Capataz.
How do you say clerk?
Emitter.
How do you say guard?
Guardia.
How do you say firefighter?
Bombero.
How do you say policeman?
Policía.
How do you say mailman?
Cartero.
How do you say receptionist?
Recepcionista.
How do you say recruiter?
Reclutador.
How do you say inspector?
Inspector.
How do you say seller?
Vendedor.
How do you say merchant?
Comerciante.
How do you say broker?
Corredor.
How do you say trader?
Comerciante.
How do you say coder?
Programador.
How do you say developer?
Desarrollador.
How do you say analyst?
Analista.
How do you say illustrator?
Ilustrador.
How do you say sculptor?
Escultor.
How do you say dancer?
Bailarín.
How do you say model?
Modelo.
How do you say host?
Presentador.
How do you say sailor?
Marinero.
How do you say captain?
Capitán.
How do you say astronaut?
Astronauta.
How do you say geologist?
Geólogo.
How do you say biologist?
Biólogo.
How do you say chemist?
Químico.
How do you say physicist?
Físico.
How do you say economist?
Economista.
How do you say therapist?
Terapeuta.
How do you say optician?
Óptico.
How do you say paramedic?
Paramédico.
How do you say dentist?
Dentista.
How do you say engineer?
Ingeniero.
How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more Spanish quizzes and check out our other videos. See you next time!